YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. We had a bit of a disaster really to do with the gas oven, and the problem was we've got some samosas Jan was putting in the oven, got the gas on, but this gas oven has been notoriously bad for lighting, and there's lots of complaints on YouTube and reviews to do with these ovens, to do with you can't see if it's lit or not, one thing or another. Anyway, we didn't have that sort of problem. Well, we did, but the major issue or panic was we got the oven on and it went out, and then gas was coming out, the igniter was working, and we got the oven on again, then it went out and we couldn't turn the gas off. The knob was sort of jammed up on the controller, so I ended up turning the main gas supply off. So we haven't had gas in the bungalow for a couple of days, and what I've done, I've disconnected the gas pipe. It was a bayonet fitting, which was okay, that's not a problem. It's a bayonet fitting, and but that was slightly leaking. So with the gas off, I've had to hunt round and find a bung blanking, because we're going for electric. So I've blanked this off now with a proper cap, and so that's it. And what I'll do, I'll show you the oven and I'll show you what the problem is. Okay, it's a Kenwood oven. It's not had a lot of use, and this is the condition of it. You can see it's almost like brand new, but this knob here, you should be able to turn it to there. You can turn it up to there, and then you're supposed to be able to turn this bit so it goes to there, and then if you want the grill, you turn it to there and press it in like that, and it won't go to off, so we couldn't turn the oven off. And excuse that wire. So I've been dismantling it here to try and figure out what's wrong, and I think it's this bit here, the regulator. And I'm going to do a post-mortem on it, because we're buying an electric oven and this is now scrap, but you can see it's like new. But there's no end of bad reviews on this model. There's plenty of switches on here. I thought originally it was the knob had twisted, but it's not. This will not go back to the off position. So I'm going to take this off if I can, and try and work out what's going on, just for interest really. This unit here costs £95 to buy, and I'm going to take it out if I can get it out, and so I'm going to take the switch off the front, all this electrical stuff. I think it just pushes on, and then I'm going to take it apart and find out why it's jamming. There's going to be bits flying off it. I don't need this bit. If I was going to fix it, I wouldn't break these bits off, but I just want to have a look inside, find out what's going on. If I can get this bit off, I might have to break this off. I got the gas valve off, which is that bit, and I've not really found anything that's wrong as yet. Okay, I've loosened this bit off. This is a safety device which shuts the gas off. The flame goes out, which is this bit here. You see it's a coil in there, wire, and when the voltage goes across it, it holds that in and then that releases it. So it's not that, and it still won't turn this knob, so we're going to take this back section off. I'm not sure what that is. Well, I've got the back end off. I don't know if you can see it, there's a broken piece of brass. Let's tip it out. Can you see it? That thing. And it was in this back section. It's broken off. Well, that was it, guys. That little bit of metal. That was, I don't know where it was from, but that's the inside of it. It was jamming it up. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. And this goes out for the scrappies. Don't think there's anything I can salvage or want from it. But definitely knackered. Out for the travellers if they want it. So once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.